Not
Still
yet?
in there.
Okay. Yay! It looks totally different now.
Got some windows repair, but at least it'll allow some
It looks way better than with
light,
that.
light in and some air.
Yeah. We also fixed the thingy. Gonna let.
Wall out, right?
Yeah, might as well. Gonna let tons of natural light in there, which is great. It was pretty dreary in there before. But now that all our snow is gone, well, most of it, just about all of it, now we're just mushy. So,
Start at the top.
oh, here.
Start at the bottom.
Repping Menards over here with those gloves. Thanks. I like this building. It's really pretty. Oh, that window's probably the worst, I guess.
Yeah, this one needs the most work.
Oh, but it's also gonna let in so much airflow. God, it's gonna be nice. Hopefully time for thaw. It'd be nice if spring came tomorrow. It's beautiful out right now. See the sky? Just a soft breeze. Yesterday was super windy, but today is wonderful. All right. We'll catch up with you guys in a second.